How to delete old Facebook account without password, email, phone number, and username. For this, first and foremost, open up your Facebook application. Now, we all know we have an unknowingly old Facebook account that we just created as a prank. Now, we cannot remember the credentials. In that case, what you have to do is log into your existing account, then search for the old Facebook account that you're willing to delete. Here, Keep Baker is my prank account. Now, to delete it, you have to tap on the three dot icon right here and tap on Report Profile. Then you can select any of the category. I'll be selecting pretending to be someone, then tap on Me. Then tap on Submit. Now, once you have assigned a report against your old account, you will be asked if you want to block or hide from the account. It is up to you for that setting. Now, once you do this, copy the profile URL of your old Facebook account or just tap on Share Profile. Then share it with your friends and family. This is because to delete an account, there must be at least of 3 to 5 reports regarding the Facebook account. Once it hit the mark, Facebook will automatically delete the account. So all you have to do is report by yourself, then share the link or the profile to be reported by friends or family. And just like that, your old Facebook account will be deleted. Isn't it simple? So make sure to go ahead and give it a try, and thank you so much for tuning in.